Place yeast in the pork rind and you will be surprised by this secret in a container. Here, I am using a kilogram of pork belly. Then I will cover it with boiling water. Let's mix it lightly and leave it for about 5 minutes. After this time, we will remove it and let it drain. We will now transfer everything to a larger container. Now, I will begin seasoning with a little smoked powder, some smoked paprika, and a bit of salt. Remember, all the seasonings should be to your taste. Add a bit of black pepper and finally a teaspoon of our yeast. Now we just need to mix everything well. Here I finished mixing with our hands. It will look this way. We just need to grab it and we will transfer everything to our air fryer. After adjusting it well, we just need to close it and leave it at 200 degrees for about 20 to 15 minutes. Open and close it until it reaches the desired consistency, and look how perfect it turns out. Now let's move it to a paper towel and wait for it to drain. Our pork rinds here are super quick, easy and delicious, and best of all, they are very crunchy. Make them at your house and I'm sure everyone will love them. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from your local kitchen enthusiast. A big hug, until next time, and thanks.